Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Saturday, April 5th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. A room is a place with 4 walls. Very good. And Jennifer wants to drink some water. She is very correct. Number 1. Please listen and write this in your notebook. This room is big. This room is big. Room. It is a place with 4 walls, a floor, and a ceiling. Now we can make a flashcard for room. Please write room up here in the top left corner, R-O-O-M. And the code down here, H-O-U 1. This means house, level 1. And the number 16 out of 20. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Ooh, room. 1 room. 2 rooms. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is thirsty. Jennifer is thirsty. Thirsty. Her throat feels dry and she wants to drink some water. Now we can make a flashcard for thirsty and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. Up here in the top left corner, write be thirsty. We use be because it is an adjective. Down in this corner, A1. This means adjective, level 1. And over here the number 80 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Thirsty. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned a room has 4 walls. Very good. And Bob wants to drink some water. He is very correct. Thirsty. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Can you say number 1? That's right, ruler. This is a ruler, but it's also a person, like a queen or a president. Number 2, the food is very spicy. Very nice. And the last one, to do something rarely. This means not very often. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side of the card.